referee, Mr. Tiloyas. First quarter, hatid sa atin ng Cobra Energy Drink. Walang talo ang 3 pieces mo. Alba to Clemente. Clemente sa gitna kay Relampagos. Los Santa. Take 3. Doesn't work. Kalimutan para sa bird. Evangelista. Bagong gupit. Mr. Antonio. Shot lock crowd. Nagpakawala na. Dos. Wala. Los Santa. Ito na. Drop pass kay Clemente. Supal pa lang inabot. Nakuha ni Clemente. Clemente for the second chance. Basket count! It's an opening basket. Grabe. Patuloy kaya ang pamamayagpag ng bagyong Abinuman o haharangin ng lindol ni Mr. Evangelista. Shot clock 7. 5 to shoot. Base na kasunod. Symbol. 2 second shot clock. 2 to shoot. 2 to shoot. Dos na lang iyo shot clock. Masbate Colleges. Base ng kasunod yan. Good ball. Good ball. Good ball. Eto na, Mr. Villarosa ako sa midcourt line. Villarosa si Gawagin bilagsak sa lalim. Same ball. Ay grabe, salamat. Maraming salamat po sa ating tagapagsubaybay. Sa inyong walang sawang pagtangkilik, pagsuporta ng ating liga. Sa ating liga, kayo ang bida. Hatid sa atin ng United Auctioneers Incorporated. Sigsagi mo, second ball. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. In and out. Magpaka sa ball. Sila mawagi. Ito na. Ito na. Oh, sayang. Ball position. Masbate Colleges. Whoever win this game will be the champion, and whoever lost automatically the first runner-up. Los Santa with the ladder. Los Santa for the floater. Supal pa lang inabot. Bakbakan sa board. Jump ball. Dito ang bola. Masbate Colleges. We have to acknowledge the presence of our deputy BAP referee, Sir Alex Baldio. And also, our former board member, 2nd District Masbate, Dr. Dennis Placer, and former City Councilor, Dr. Leila Placer. Magandang gabi. It's a team! I-score natin 2 against 5. Napakatagal na nakapasok yung Masbate College sa kampyonato. Los Santa, advance pass kay Clemente. Kakayanin kaya? Ay, tumama sa likod. Tumama sa likod ng ring. Automatically violation. Substitution, Mr. Red. Antonio, out. Duran, papasok. Hintayin muna na lumabas bago papasok. Okay. Kick out kay Alba. Alba crossover move. Alba making his move. Left-handed shot. Passing through. Magbaga sa board. Who is the winner? Nakuha ni Lawas. Lawas advance pass. Evangelista! Lamas, the pride of Arroy. Clemente, try 3. Wala. Advance pass. Ito na, Duran. Duran. At the top of the key. Waiting for rescue. Nahanap sa Mr. Evangelista. Evangelista to Mr. Liama. Shot lock 14. Perimeter jumper. Yes, sir. Chance Fever. Los Santa. Nahanap si Mr. Alba, shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. Nakuha na naman. Bola pa rin ang Masbate Colleges. Shot clock 21. Evangelista, shot clock down to 14. Liamas, perimeter jump in and out. Kalimutan. Supalpal ang inabot. Supalpal atin sa atin ang Kupiko Black. Boom! Gising. Evangelista being bothered. Same ball, shot clock 16. 15 seconds shot clock. Corner 3, wala. Nakuha ni Villarosa. Ito Mr. Losanta. Losanta. Ay, nako. Miscommunication pass. Turnover. 5 minutes and 59 remaining for the first period. Score 6 against 5. 1 point lead. Masbate Colleges. Evangelista to Mr. Llamas, hesitation, perimeter jumper, in and out pa rin, nakuha ni Mr. Lampagos. The pride of Balod. Lampagos to Alba, the crossover king, hindi pa nagpapagit ang gila, shot clock for Prin. For the floater, in and out, oops, same ball. Referee decision po is always final. Corner 2! Sa 2! Villarosa. Ano ang isasagot ng Masbate Colleges? Lorio at the top of the aisle. Kick out kay Evangelista. Shot clock down to 10. 8 to shoot. Jump ball dito naman sa kabila. Dito naman sa kabila. Substitution, Mr. Ed. Laurio out. Laida. Black substitution. Osmeña Colleges. Panibagong mukha. Eto na. Sino kaya ang tunay na bida? Ang unang 5 o ang pangalawang 5 ng Osmeña? Legal from the right, same ball pa rin, shot clock down to 16. Legal, 14 seconds shot clock. Nakuha ni Evangelista, nagkagusundutan, nakuha! Ay, nako. Grabe, buwis buhay ang ating mga manlalaro. Wala nang bukas ito. Ang ngayon ay hindi na pwedeng ibalik. Duran. Cross-cut pass. Shot clock down to 15. Aliw play kay Plyda. The big face assassin. Losanta, corner 3. Wala. Ito na, Evangelista. Advance pass kay Llamas. Llamas, hesitation. Naghanap na kami, nahanap si Evangelista. Take it sa Evangelista. Losanta sa gitna kay Bisa, supalpal ang inabot. Nakuha ni Plyda. To Mr. Evangelista. Duran with the letter. Duran, crossover move. Cross-court pass kay Plyda. To Evangelista, shot clock 15. Llamas! Binoman, nahanap si Losanta. Widely open! At save ball! Alat ang kanilang 3-pointer. Wow! Time out! Chance to Masbate Colleges.
Kumuha pa ng dugo, walang lugaw sa makto. Dito na kami.
Okay, David. Duran, quickly, wala. Nako ni Marcos, to Abinuman there, first ano gagawin? Abinuman! The Air Force of Bagumbayan, no other one, Mr. Abinuman. Fly down ang isasagot. Being battered, kick out. In and out, nakuha ni Marcos. To Abinuman, there po. Abinuman. Sa oras ng pangailangan si Mr. Abinuman, ay maasahan natin sa atin ang Palawan Push-Up Express Pira Parala. Turn to shoot. Bukas na bukas, wala. Wala pa rin. Saan? Dito na naman. Legal. Small battery ball. Naghanap ng tamang chimpo. Nahanap si Lesanta. Corner 3. Wala. Abinuman. Nangingibabaw. John Paul. Dito naman sa kabila. The bid out. Grabe. Hindi tayo mapapahiya. Solve na solve ang ating gabi ngayon for the main event for this evening between Osmeña Colleges and Masbate Colleges. Ang ganda ng pasas! Hindi nga lang may connect. Ito na naman! Abinuman! Abinuman! Ay, foul ka, sir. Foul on jersey number 34. Liamas out. Lebanto. Kalimutan out. Lario, hintayin muna na lumabas. First personal foul, Duran. 1 minute and 51. First team foul. Abeso, umikot ng bahagya. Ang ganda na pasa kay Legal. Fadeaway jumper, doesn't good. Oh, turnover. 1 minute and 43 remaining for the first period. Evangelista, the key player of Masbate Colleges, shot clock 14. Turn to shoot. Same ball, 8 seconds shot clock, 8 to shoot para sa Masbate Colleges. 5 to shoot. Basir ang kasunod niyan. Wala. Ay! Panibagong shot clock para sa Masbate Colleges. Duran, quick release. Wala. Nakuha ni Abiso to the Air Force. Abinuman. Advance pass. Nakuha ni Duran. Duran. Nahanap sa Mr. Lario. To Mr. Evangelista, nag-hesitate pa. Di may connect. Pambansang reverse. 1 minute remaining. Ano? Sound check. 15 seconds shot clock. Wala. 45 segundos. 40 segundos. Ito na naman, there's a foul. Foul ba rin? Same ball. Lost ball. Legal! Wala! Abinuman lilipat! Shot clock is up! Basket count! May kasama pang foul. Basket! Foul on jersey number 13. 30. Legal. First personal foul legal. 20 segundos. Shot clock is off. First team foul. Wala. 15 segundos. Zigzagging move. Lilipat! 10 segundos. Ito na! Evangelista! Basket! Basket ang kasunod niya. Sound check. Sound check. Trouble game for the second period ball position Osmeña Colleges. Ang event na basketball, ang pamanan magdadisyon, aton at amanon ipadayon kag palanggaon. Sa gitna kay Villarosa, connected! The lead reaches to 3. 19 against 16. Evangelista, the man of the moment. Lario from the left. Back to Evangelista. Quick release! Wala! Ball position, Sebo. Antonio, zigzagging move. Supalpal pa rin. Ito na, Mr. Lusanta, the former national player of Masbate Province. Lusanta, ayaw mo na pumbak, wala. Tagipagtagisan ako. Basket down! Grabe! Basket, Paulo jersey number 23. Number 2. Number 2. Mr. Larlo. For the extra opportunity para kay Lusanta. Bigdak at 19. Shout out Osmeña Colleges. Walang sigaw, kulang sa hiyaw. Shot clock 15. Masbate Colleges, sigaw! It's a good one. Up! Number 25, technical foul. Holding jersey from behind. Substitution, Llamas. Antonio Llamas. One free throw for Evangelista. Alba out. Radaza. First for Alba. Wasted foul. Okay. Ball position. I-score natin 23 against 19. Pinaghandaan ni Mr. Evangelista ang championship game. Ganda ng ating match-up. Evangelista versus Abinuman. Abuso versus Kalimutan. Mr. Lampagos secure the bird. May Lampagos from the right. Nahanap si Losanta. Quick release! It's a our former national player. Good ball. Ito na, Ternal shot clock down to 10. It's a good ball. Oh, turnover. 23 against 22. 1-point lead. Masbate Colleges. Losanta, shot clock 15. Limite Radasa, hesitation, shot clock down to 10. 5 to shoot. Base na kasunod niyan. Pambansang reverse! Chase Fever! Evangelista ang isasagot. Shot clock to 14. Ay! Time out! Masbate Colleges!
Turn around, stick it out, show me what you got.
Noy, inanakaplo nito sa may ring side, pakiano tabi sa limutil, pakikipot, kay base magasmagan ka na. Okay, salamat. Losanta, the top of the case, surface the area. Crossover more, shot knocked down to 15. Cross-court pass by Clemente. Evangelista, ano ang panagot? Crossover mo, Evangelista, ang haba! Or the putback shot! Friday scoring, the babyface assassin! Clemente, Losanta, quick release! It's a Evangelista to Ilyamas, sasagutin, shoot jumper na kuha ni Losanta, Losanta na naman, Losanta, wala, magpaka sa ball, basket up, Relampagos. Evangelista, parang kailan lang, lumamang na ng anib yung Osmeña. Wala. Villarosa secure bird. Villarosa. Grabe. Several players sa Osmeña Colleges are gunners. Radasa playing jury in and out na lang. Friday para sa bird. Evangelista. Advance pass. Nakuha ni Losanta. Losanta. Pinagsak sa gitna. Kickball. Turnover. Bernal out, Duran. Tagisan ng mga magagaling at matatalinong coach is Paragira versus Honorable Andrew Jess. Sino kaya ang tatangaling coach of the year? Shot clock 14. First of the year for the college division. It's a good ball. Time to shoot. Base na kasunod niyan. Nakuha ni Clemente. Advance pass. Nakuha ni Lisanta. Nagkasabitan. Nakuha ni Clemente. Clemente. Good ball yan. Clapping lang yun. Evangelista nasunod ni Radasa. Radasa nakuha nila. Buwis buhay itong ating mga manlalaro. Magbabayad kayo ng buwis. Amin na, yeah. Amin ang tunay na player. For inputs. For the Coco Villarusa. Habang papalapit yung Masbate Colleges, papalayo ng papalayo yung Osmeña. Pero hindi pa tapos ang laban. Evangelista shot clock 15. Duran. It's a good ball. Nagkasundutan. Fade away jumper. Doesn't go. Follow through. Connected. By kalimutan. Napakalaki ng batang ito. Los Santa. Clemente. Supal pa lang inabot. Evangelista. Chick ball. Score natin 27 against 33. 6-point lead. Osmeña Colleges. Liamas, fadeaway jumper shoot. Lusanta para sa bird. Lusanta. Lusanta na naman. Iniwan ang ganda. Maganda na. Mas lalong pinaganda. Hatid sa atin ang Vicky Tilo. Laida Cruz good pass kay Evangelista. Shot na 15. Sa gitna pambansa reverse kay kalimutan po na wala. Good ball yan. Villarusa. Across the mid-court line. Nahanap si Mr. Lampagos. Ang ganda ng pasa! The lead up by double digit. 27 against 37. Duran, shot not to throw. Turn to shoot. Ang ganda ng mga swing pass, extra pass. Los Santa, the main point guard, Lampagos, shot not to 15. For the floater in and out, for the floater wala. Nakuha ni Evangelista. Evangelista, arangkada. Nako, hinat ka lang. Hindi makuha. Nako, Lampagos. Lampagos, Cristo, walang labanan. Lampagos. Orang Saraya, Osmeña. Orang Saraya, Clemente. Basket down! May kasama kang foul! Basket! Para jersey number 6. Substitution. Kalimutan out. Lario. First personal foul played. Open foul. Time out. Osmeña Colleges. The players Alex action, Patuloy action. Remaining time for the second period, 2 minutes and 19, is first 29 is 41. 12-point lead Osmeña Colleges. Basket. David cross the pass kay Mr. Levanto. Shot clock 15. Pambansang reverse wala. Palot lo kaya. Supal pala ginamot din sa good ball. Agawang Boko Ops. Jump ball. Ball position. Masbate Colleges. Congratulations for the Osmeña Colleges. Sa secondary, sila po yung kampiyon. Okay. There's a ball from behind. Colleges number 1, Wilampagos. Topping foul. Osmeña Colleges. First personal foul, Wilampagos. Levanto, cross-away move. Okay. Colleges number 6, Wilampagos out. Marcos. Rating foul. Substitution. Sino? Clemente. First personal foul, Clemente. Rating foul, Osmeña. Grabe, Hagibis rebound. Bakbakan sa board. Ako, ni Villarosa. The Mister, the Air Force. The Air Force. There's a foul. Shot is not counted. Foul on jersey number 9, the big push. Lusanta out. Villarosa out. Paki-insert po ng ating mga jersey. The big. First personal foul. The big. Rated foul. Masbate Colleges. Abinoman. Nahanap sa legal. Legal. Sa gitna. Napakalaki. Harap-harapan. Kinain. David. Ang ganda ng pasa. Power move. Basket count para kay Mr. Antonio. Nagmula sa maraming isda na barangay ng Momo, Marintok. Mr. Antonio. Shot clock 15. Sabiso! 50 segundos. Godpoliana, kuha ni Legal. Legal. This ball is fly. Arangkada. Muntik na. It's a good ball. Offensive pa. Osmal Mistaret. Colleges number 20. Offensive foul. Warning for penalty. David. Shot clock down to 15. To shoot. Wala. Shot clock is off. 10 segundos. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Basir ang kasunod niyan. Basir ang kasunod niyan. Okay, that's the end of the second period. Balik sa action for third period ball position Osmeña Colleges. Wag muna kayong umuwi. Marami pang pampasiklag ang ating mga players. Ang dalawang kupunan, hindi pa tapos ang laban. Nasa kalagitnaan pa lang tayo ng ating main event. Santa, praise the fish, wala talaga. Ito na, Llamas, Llamas. Tatlo na lang po yung inahabol na, okay. Anching foul, jersey number 7, Evangelista. First pressure foul, Evangelista. Quick release, wala. Hustle play, nakuha ni Lusanta. Cebu, shot lock, fresh na fresh. 24 pa rin. Rilampagos, kick out kay Villarosa. Wala, nakuha ni Kalimutan. Kalimutan ay, muntik na. Live at Evangelista. Evangelista, from the center, kick out to Mr. Duran. Shot lang to 12. Nakuha ni Lusanta. Nakuha! Sayang. The lead reaches to 11. Rilampagos to Lusanta. Quick release! It's a dream! Grabe! Talagang pinatunayan na siya ay dating national player ng Masbate Province. Sebong. Mr. Lusanta, jersey number 15. Ang kapatid ni Judy Lusanta na guwapito na nagmula pa sa barangay Dabdab, Oson. Artistahin yan. Si Palpal, nakuha ni Villarosa. Lusanta, nakaka-4 na yata na 3-point basket ito or 5. Good ball yan. Naku! Ibang kulay Evangelista. Lusanta, Rilampagos. Lusanta brother. Back to Rilampagos, shot clock 15. To shoot. For the brother, in and out wala. Ito na, susukatin. Basket count, nakapag-bound pa ng foul. Basket, foul jersey number 12, Lusanta. Submission. Lusanta, jersey number 12 down. First baseman foul, jersey number 12, Lusanta. Submission. Unlock out. First team foul, Osmeña Colleges. For the extra opportunity, 3-point play opportunity, in and out. Laida, Toliamas, swing pass kay Evangelista. Evangelista, Toliamas, shot clock to 14. Pinawi jumper, doesn't prove. Pagpaka sa board, who is the winner? Basket count, may kauman pang foul. Basket, Colleges number 10, puno siya. First prisoner foul, Villarosa. Topic foul, Osmeña Colleges. Sulit na sulit ang ating panonood ngayong gabi. The lead reaches to 7. Kanina 15. Ngayon, 7 na lang. Quick release! Muntik na! Sundutan, nakuha ni Duran. Evangelista. Shot clock to 15. Evangelista. Sinaw sa upa! Grabe! Abinuman, hinahamon ka ni Mr. Evangelista. Shot clock 14. Sa gitna, for the basket! Villarusa scoring. Ang ganda ng match-up natin. Abinuman versus Evangelista. Kalimutan versus Abiso. Shot clock 14. Okay, substitution, Mr. Red. Clemente out. Clemente out. Abinuman. Ito na. Magandang match-up ito. Ito na. Pilagpagos out. Abiso. Ito na. Mga match-up. Match-up natin mga player. Kalimutan versus Abiso. Evangelista versus Abinuman. Magandang laban. Supalpal. Shot clock. Yes, please na naman. Lusanta, iniwan kay Dahil Balls. It's a good ball for the floater. Doesn't go sa kanya pa rin. It's a good ball. Dewey na papasok sa Mr. Abinuman. Nagkakatarama ang ating mga madlang viewers. It's a kick! Grabe na to! Ang dugal sa Masbate. Turn of floater si Paul Balay Rawat. Liabas. Sandutan. Liabas! Jutay na lang. Upat na lang. Close Santa. Abinuman. Dryer first. Dryer first. For the floater. Alba! Simpleng-simple lang ang banat ni Alba sa gilid. Nakatayo lang ng bahagya. Sabay tura ng ganun. Sabay pasok ng ganun. Golden second shot clock. Time to shoot. Quick release. Muntik na. Sino magwawagi? Ito na. Nakuha na. Divers. Divers. Oh! Time out. Masbate Colleges, second personal foul. Evangelista ng jersey number 7. Luyan iskor sa Lusminya kay Pano. Luyan sayaw. Back to the ball game. Remaining time for the third period. Purvis and Peples 7. Score 49 against 55. 6-point lead. Osmeña Colleges. Legal. Ang ganda ng swing pass. Quick release. Muntik na. The back-to-back finals MVP of Osmeña Colleges, Mr. Abinuman. Kick out kay Evangelista 6 Agitod. It's a shot clock. Nakuha o foul. Foul on jersey number 5. 45. Rating foul. Masbate Colleges. Abinuman, Polo Santa. Muntik na, shot na to draw. Ang ganda ng pass! What an excellent pass. Nice combination. Atin sa atin ang San Miguel Phil Pilsen para sa mga walang katulad uminom ng katamtaman lamang. Where to shoot? Wala. Dito na naman. There goes Advance Pass. Dito sa Masbate Colleges. Evangelista. Evangelista, kick out Eternal. Supalpal nga lang. Nakuha na there first. Oops. Unsportsmanlike foul. Clear path yun, sir. Clear path. Number 45. Walang defender, sir. Walang defender. Ikaw lang yung defender. Unsportsmanlike foul on jersey number 45. Substitution. Lie down. Second personal foul, Yamas. Warning for PLP, Masbate Colleges. Alam na alam yan ng ating mga madlang viewers ang mga ganong foul. Alam ng ating mga head coach yan. That is unsportsmanlike foul. Kinukuha mo yung momentum to shoot of the opponent. Okay. Ball position, Osmeña Colleges. Remaining time for the third period, 3 minutes and 33. Product brother, wala. It's a good ball. Good ball yan. Nakuha ni Duran. Advance pass, Kylo Mango, really ba? Nako, muntik na. Buti na lang, may kasama. The air post. Oh! Pumasabot pa. Grabe. Foul on jersey number 34. Nabango out, Antonio. Second personal foul, the Rangers number 34. And penalty situation, Masbate Colleges. Basket jumpers get ready. One of the happiest moments this evening, the championship game between Osmeña and Masbate Colleges. Dalawang matitinig na kulhiyo ng Masbate. Nagsitagisan sa kampionatong labanan. Evangelista for the brother, doesn't work, bakbakan, kalawit rebound, Air Force, the Air Force! Good ball yan! Nakuha na legal, Apologies number 10, kalimutan. Grabe. First personal foul, kalimutan. Gulayat versus David. Maliit versus malaki. Grabe. David. Ada man din si David sa Masbate Colleges. Basbird. Dahil po so'y sumabit. May sabi. Foul on jersey number 34, Duran. Illegal pulpuk. Two shots by Abinuman, Golfers. Third personal foul, Duran. Grabe, napakasaya. Napakasaya ng sandaling ito. Wala, 0 out of 2. Ito na, Duran. Duran across the midline. Duran. Arangkada. Ininata naman. Ay, sayang. 2 minutos, 27 segundos. Crossword pass, quick release. shot clock. Turn to shoot. For the floater. Injury timeout. Injury. Sablay nyo. Sablay, sir, sablay. Opo. 1 minute and 54 remaining. Legal. Abino under first. Legal with another shot clock to 14. Shoot na ko. Evangelista. There's a foul on the 10. Foul on jersey number 31. Ferdinand Marcos. 2 shots. First personal foul, Marcos. Ready foul, Moscow. Speedy Garges. Alat, si Ludi. Jumpers get ready. Single throw. Substitution. Block substitution for Osmeña. Say mo. Antonio out. Binuman. Okay. Score natin. 54 against 66. Alba, the crossover king. Alba. Quick release. Di may pagpag. Pagpakan sa board. Who is the winner? Lario. Evangelista power move. Kick out. Lario. Fade away jumper. Lario. The pride of Barangay Family Aroroy. High grade sa laman. High grade sa ginto. Pumpik na naman. Nakuha pa rin ang Osmeña. Maristela, Cusco Pass. Turi Lampagos. 50 segundos. Shot clock down to 14. Sebo. 11 seconds. Shot clock. 11 to shoot. Turn to shoot. Good ball yan. 5 to shoot. Okay, jump ball. Dito naman sa kabila. Palit-palit lang. Ito, marami pang pwedeng mangyari. Meron pa tayong 1 period coming up. Ito na! Relampados! Basket down! Micah Sabatang foul! Basket! Foul on jersey number 7. Push! Bonus shot. Third personal foul. Evangelista. Hindi talaga mapigilan. Nauna ng lipat. Flying without wings. Second shot clock. It's a ball. Shot clock is off. Relampados. Ball is alive. Shot clock is off. Shot clock is off. Ball is alive. Basket down. Okay, that's the third period. Kulang sa sayaw. the third and final quarter. Ball position, Osmeña Colleges. Score natin, 58 against 70. 12-point lead, Osmeña Colleges, ball position. Who will rise and who will fall? Will to win for the championship range. Aldinoman to brother, quick release, short na lang, acrobatic move for the floater, wala, kiskisan sa loob, bakbakan sa gilid, wala, oh, foul ka! Foul on, jersey number 11, inaamin yan ni Gio. Ang tunay namang manlalaro, honest player. First personal foul, Gio Abinoman. First team foul. Ito na, the Air Force, Lily Matzo! Yes, sir! Fly high towards up the sky, flying without wings, angin na walang pakpak. Llamas, it's a good ball. There's a foul on the pen. 2 shots for a team. Foul jersey number 5. Substitution David out. Evangelista. First personal foul, Abiso. Topic foul, Osmeña Colleges. Basket. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari. Los Santa, wasting the time, shot clock down to 14. Third to shoot. Okay, there's a foul from behind. Foul jersey number 21, illegal use of hands. First personal foul, Antonio. First team foul, Mascot Colleges. Los Santa to brother. Los Santa, trapas, kain Abiso sa gitna, malakas. Kiskisan, Abinoman is the winner. Abinoman. So, Los Santa, pinapatay na. Alam na. Ang ganda ng pasari lang, Pagos! At the bump of the face of the opponent, he scored. Evangelista, Saito, substitution. Relampagos out. Antonio out. Kalimutan. Huwag niyong kalimutan. Ang jersey number 10, yan ay maasahan. May punish yan si Palpal. Safe push. Fresh shot clock. Liamas, fadeaway jumper. Pasok yan! Favorite shot ni Mr. Llamas, fading away. Foul na naman! Foul on jersey number 7, Evangelista. Warning for foul out, Mr. Evangelista. Evangelista out, David. Milay na. Minsan na usad na lang na iparawal. Mahalagaan kayo na. 15 seconds shot clock. Quick release. Wala Abiso. Swing pass. Ganda ng pasahan. Marcos. Grabe. Cross the pass, Llamas. Llamas, side step move, left hand shot. Malakas yata. Abby Numan, the Air Force. The Air Force. The Air Force flying high! Abby Numan. Good ball yan. The Air Force na naman! Ay, nato! Okay, time out. Mas swatting colleges. Colleagues action. Preliminary time for the third and final quarter. 7 minutes and 8. Score natin 61 against 80. 19-point lead Osmeña Colleges. Sa bandang gilid lang po tayo dumaan para di mantala yung game natin. Okay, thank you. Sa bandang gilid lang po, mga bandang viewers. Evangelista. Kalimutan, it's a good goal na kuha ni Abiso. Rolo Santa. To the Air Force. At the top of the game. Lusata, shot left to 14. Play to shoot, quick release, wala. Good goal yan. Evangelista. Susubok sa tres, in and out. Sabi, alat na. Ito na, Abby Numan. Abby Numan! Nabitin. Nakaantabay, nakahanda na naman sana yung ating hiyawan team. Basket count, may kasama pang foul. Basket, foul on jersey number 31, Ferdinand Marcos. Single personal foul. Abiso out. Trading foul, Osmeña. Substitution, Marcos out, Villarosa. Several players of Osmeña calibers, colleges gunners. D-bombs in different area if necessary. Basket na naman. Grabe. Malaki na, dinagdagan pa. Parang Team US yata itong Osmeña. Good ball! Ito na, Buis Buhay. For the floater shoot. Sumapay! There's a foul na 10. Foul jersey number 10, Villarosa. The honest player. Second personal foul. And warning for penalty, Osmeña Colleges. Second throw by Mr. Lario. Basket. Santa. At the top of the game, pinapatay yung oras to the Air Force. Shot clock to 12. Na naman! It's a good ball! Kalimutan secure the bird. Ito na, Evangelista. Lario, crossover move. Lario, zigzagging move. To Llamas, fadeaway jumper. Drew sa foul na Hindi napigilan ng bukso ng damdamin ni Mr. Relampagos. Foul on jersey number 1, Relampagos. Second personal foul, Relampagos, and team anticipation, Osmeña Colleges. Basket. Second throw by Mr. Llamas. Wala, 1 out of 2. Los Santa. Los Santa, the former national player. Shot clock 15. Villarosa, nag-resubit pa for the floater. Munting, wow! What a nice spit in. Putback shot, connected. Evangelista, Llamas, fadeaway jumper, in and out. Duran, off the glass, malakas yata. Bakbaka sa bird, advance pass, idang na Relampagos. Ay, nako! Basket. Sayang yun. Mr. Relampagos, giving an apology to his teammates, to his company. Bawi na lang siya mayat mayan. Abby Noman, shot clock 15. To shoot. Los Santa, quick release. Wala. Nakuha ni Llamas. Llamas, lilipad. Basket. Jutay na lang. Preso na lang. Ito pa. 3 minutes and 48. Napakalit lang ng kalamangang yan. Dario Evangelista. Take 3. Wala. Nakakuha ni Villarosa. Los Santa, the designated point guard. Los Santa. Good ball yan. Abby Noman, shot clock 14. To shoot. 5 to shoot. Quick release. Wala. It's a good ball. Evangelista. Wala pa rin. Lumilipad, Mr. Lario. Time out. Masbate Colleges. Wala na pong time out ang Masbate Colleges. Osmeña, meron pa tatlo. Action, remaining time for the 14th final quarter. 3 minutes and 3 scores, 71 against 37. 16-point lead, Osmeña Colleges. Llamas, take 3, it's a 3, Llamas. Santa sa gitna, di may connect. It's a good ball. Okay, same ball. 2 minutos, 44 segundos. Tumamak sa tiil, kick ball. Evangelista. Bernal na 3 point. Okay, foul yan. Foul on jersey number 15, Los Santa, penalty situation. First personal foul, jersey number 15, Luis Santa. Tuna na first period, basta na fourth period. Nakausap pala yung taon si Luis Santa na foul. Hello, Ayman. Jumpers get ready for the second throw. Two out of two. Jutay na lang. Jutay na lang. Jutay na lang na pagtios. Pasko na. Los Santa, six-tagi mo, Los Santa. Turnover. Ito na. Chance makadikit ng Masbate Carlos. Liamas. Liamas. Oh, wala. Hindi kumapit. It's a good ball. Wala rin. Nakuha. Ito na. The Airforce. Turnover. Sayang. Last 2 minutes. Ito sa atin ang multilight battery ang bateryang matagalan. 14 second shot clock. Get out. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Basa lang kasunod yan. Basa lang kasunod. 24 second shot clock violation, turnover. Substitution. Bernal out. Duran. 1 minute and 37 remaining. He scores 76 against 87. 11.3. Osmeña Colleges. Quick release. Nako! Ito ba? Tutay na lang. Shot shot 15. Alarim din. Ito na. The Air Force. Adi Numan. The pride of Bagong Bayan. Okay, there's a foul hit to the head. Apologies number 31, Marcos. Third personal foul. And penalty situation, 1 minute and 6 remaining. Ay, sayang. Yung salitang sayang ay may malaking kahulugan. Yan ang ating aabangan. Sayang na wala ka. Sayang. Wala pa rin. Wow! Kalimutan! Ayan pa! Liamas Lario! Toy Bagalista! Shot clock to 15! Quick release! Sa lungto lang. Unumlay na ng kalamangan. Okay, foul. Foul on jersey number 45, Liamas. Third. Rated foul. Rated foul. Third personal foul, Liamas. 49 segundos. Try to look up the effort and initiative, showmanship of our national referee, Sir Boss Peterbo. Kahit nakatihaya, nakapito pa rin. 15 second shot clock. Take the shoot. Off the glass, in and out. Bakbakan sa board. It's a good ball. Nakuha na piso. It's a good ball. Ito na. Quick release. Yeah. This is 6 segundos. Okay, there's a foul. Alon, jersey number 34, Duran. Warning for penalty. Warning for fall down. Warning for penalty. Nako! Kung saan yung patapos na. Okay, time out. Osmeña Colleges. For the players balik section, 11 seconds remaining. Warning for penalty, Masbate Colleges. Shot clock is off. Lamang po ng 4 yung Osmeña. Tingnan natin ang tunay na may puso. Save ball, 7 seconds. Ang marunong magluto, nakakaamoy na yata kung sino ang panalo. Yung mga HRM natin, nakakaamoy na ba kayo? Base ng kasunod yan. And the champion, Osmeña.
Let us now proceed to the continuation of our awarding.
There you have it, mga kaibigan, the end of the 8th season inter-school basketball tournament, collegiate level.
Congratulations to the winner, to the loser. Better luck next time.
And now, partner, let's proceed. Dahil alam ko, excited na mag-celebrate ang ating champion and of course, ang ating crowd. Thank you so much for watching.
Okay, the first award, Coach of the Year Award, collegiate level, goes to...
And before the partner, of course, we have Interior Max Espinosa for the awarding.
Coach of the Year Award, collegiate level, goes to Mr. Andre Barzaga Jess Sr.
Congratulations, sir. Back-to-back champion ang Osmeña for secondary and collegiate level.
Back-to-back Coach of the Year for secondary and collegiate to Sir Jess.
And of course, ang natitirang slot for the Mythical 5 for collegiate level, we have Mr. Christian S. Evangelista.